Assalamualaikum, every beautiful souls. We all know about world's largest clock, which is miraculous by itself, containing four identical clocks side to side, 601-meter tall, covered with 98 million tiny glasses of mosaic tiles. Now, grab your attention to this half moon shaped crescent. Ever wondered what's inside? Welcome to the world's highest prayer room, an open air room dedicated solely for the prayers and to worship Allah. In Arabic, they say musalla. This musalla is considered to be the closest to Kaaba, where more than 1 billion Muslims visit to perform prayers. So, my next thought comes, who built it? How did the plan occur? It all began at the time of construction of Makkah Clock Tower. It was so difficult for engineers and construction staff to come down from the moon to pray Salah. Due to this, they started praying inside the room. The engineers liked the idea so much that they made a permanent masjid inside the room of the Makkah Clock Tower. As we all know, Masjid and Masala are hearts of Muslims. It symbolizes elevated spiritual journey. Let's hope we all rise our pursuit to Iman as the same height of this Masala. Amin.